Hey guys, Powdered Point Customs here. Just going to do an unboxing video of a new Ottlite that I just purchased today at Costco. This is a regular $39.99 Canadian, on sale for $29.99. There's just a view of the outside of the box. Nice thing about this light, it has 3 color modes. 27 Kelvin, 4000, 5000. So the higher you get, the brighter the light is, more of a white natural light. And this also has a built-in USB charging port. Here's the back of the box. And the reason I got this, it's for my office as a desk lamp, and again it's nice with the charging port. Alright, let's open her up. Here's a view inside the box. And let me take off all the plastic and the cardboard. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. So what you get is your owner's manual, your light itself, and the power supply. Just looking at the light, you can see the LEDs. That's where there's a clock. That's your buttons for your light, your different modes, and your power button. And on the back, that's where you plug your power into. And this is where you plug a USB cord in for charging. And on the back, that's where you adjust your clock. You got to pull out this little tab here, and that way it saves the time if you lose power. So let's plug it in and see what we have here. Plays a little music when you first plug it in. Alright, so to turn it on, press the power button right there. And as you can see, it's quite a bright white light. And to adjust your light settings, it's right there for the brightness. And then you can adjust it up, so it's really, really bright. And then you can adjust your different light modes. So I've set up the time and the date. Another cool function also has a temperature. And you can actually change that to Celsius and Fahrenheit. And again, there's your settings where you can again adjust your light on. And you can also, it's very, very sensitive, and you can adjust your brightness too. Or you can adjust, again, what light output you want. And you can see it just changes the LEDs. I also really like the warm light compared to the super bright light. And again, on the back, you see this button right here. When you press that, you can actually dim your display too, which is kind of nice at nighttime. And so you can just barely see it there now, but at nighttime you'll be able to see that no problem, because that is quite bright when it's up to full power. Anyways guys, just wanted to do a short unboxing video. Again, this is the Ottlite purchased at Costco today, and I plan on putting this in my office. Again, I really like the charging port on the light. That way I'm not stuck trying to plug into an outlet underneath the desk. Again, this was on sale for $29.99 Canadian plus 15% tax. and the regular price on these is $39.99. And again, you can adjust the light pivot. Anyways guys, just again a short unboxing video of this. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Thanks for watching.